Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to check post performance using Buffer Analytics. If you're trying to grow your media or simply want to know what is working, this tool is super helpful. So let's dive right in. So once you open your Buffer, you will see this section where you have on your left hand side, you have the channels that you have connected to your Buffer website. Then here I've connected my Facebook page and my Instagram, but you can go ahead and connect more. You can connect the YouTube and other social media channels. So here there is something that I published on my Facebook channel, and I want to see how it's performing. What I will do, I will just go to all channels like this. Then I'll go to this place where I have a calendar. And if you have not watched a video that I've explained on how to schedule your videos and all the content and the posts that you want to post on your social media, please make sure you do so, because it's there in the videos. Now, when we look at this post, we have this section on Friday. That is on Friday I posted something. So if I want to see how it's performing, I'll just click on it like this. Then I see the likes, I can see the comments and the impression. Then I can click on this button that shows that points downwards. Then I can see how many shares I have and how many clicks people have gone through my content. Then I can also view the post. I can click on more. Then I can duplicate the post. There's a video that I've also explained on how to duplicate those posts or those videos that are doing well on either of your social media using Buffer, so that you can receive more views. So you can also check on that. You can also copy the link. You can copy the link in a post using this section. But now for the main thing that we are here today is to check or to do more analytics. So to do that, you just come on this button, then you click on it. Then it will take you to the analysis section, where now you will do your analysis. Then this section will pop up where you have now the performance, engaged users. Mine have not received anything. I just posted it for the purpose of this video. So you will check out the engaged users, then the post impression. You also check out the reaction, the post reach, the posts that you've done on different social media. This is on only on Facebook page, but if you have done on multiple social media, you'll be checking them. They'll be up here, then you can check them from there. But here, that is how now you will do your analysis. Just go to this, then you can also check out the metrics based on different dates and all that. You can also see the previous period. You can check out the total funds that you have. You can check the posts, the links, and so from this section, you can check a lot of things. This is just the overview. You can also go to audience. You can check the answers, the posts, and all that. So from there, you can do a deep analysis on how your posts or your videos are doing. And that is it. You now know how to check your performance in Buffer Analytics. So it's a powerful way to learn what works and improve your social media strategy. So if this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.